Okay, hello everybody. So Muhammad Sami here. Today I am going to show you one of my friend's garden. It is on the roof and it's awesome. Uh, I can I can show you the quick view from here, and then we will go in more detail. So this is the entrance on the roof, and you can see the awesome garden, terrace garden with lots of flowering seasonal plants. There are few non-seasonal plants, but most of them are seasonal plants. Many varieties. So I will show you that quickly. Uh, so this is my Yasir Bhai, and Yasir Bhai, this garden is maintained by Yasir Bhai, and he will show you the all the plants, their names, and the different varieties of the species. So Yasir bhai, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for your showing me your garden.
It's a pleasure, boss.
So आज हम
From the
आपको
beginning,
yes.
we'll start from here.
So यासिर भाई ये आप कब से कर रहे हैं? For how long you are doing this?
At the age of near about 7 or 8 years, I was old. At that age, I have started this.
Okay.
Hmm.
So yeah, long timer. एंड ये पूरा आप ही कर रहे हैं मेंटेन या किसी की हेल्प भी आपको मिल रही है?
नहीं नहीं सब बेसिकली सब कुछ मैं ही मेंशन करता हूँ, कलेक्शन में कलेक्ट करता हूँ. एक गार्डनर रख रखा है, लेकिन वो बस एज अ विजिटर ही है वो.
ओके. सो या यू कैन सी द लव बिहाइंड द फ्लावर.
3 फ्लोर में है ये स्टैंड. अपर फ्लोर का जो लेवल है, इसको साल्विया कहते हैं.
साल्विया.
मैनी कलर्स आते हैं, लेकिन बेसिकली कॉमन रेड है और थोड़ा अट्रैक्टिव भी लगता है, इसलिए इसको इजी टू हैंडल भी है, इसलिए मेंशन होता है.
ओके. यस.
सेकेंड रूफ में, सेकेंड लेयर में पॉम पॉम वैरायटी का मैरीगोल्ड है, उसके वेरियस कलर्स हैं ये.
यस, आई कैन सी द ऑरेंज एंड द येलो एंड light orange, yellow, and this has different
Shades.
design shades. Yes. So yeah, I think we can see lot many varieties here. Awesome.
This is the last. It's a variety of Irish flower, commonly named them ice plant.
Irish.
Irish flower,
Okay.
commonly named them ice plant.
Okay.
There are
And multiple varieties, multiple colors. So you means we can see this. This is like light pink and
Light pink
white
and white,
dark pink and white,
creamy color,
cream,
orange shade.
yellow, white.
Hmm.
Means, yeah, it's awesome colors.
Now here it is started the variety of Dianthus.
Dianthus.
Dianthus variety.
Okay.
Dianthus variety. ये पूरे लेयर, ये नीचे की यहाँ से वहाँ तक. It's
Okay.
all the variety of Dianthus variety. These 3 plants is a rare variety of this species.
Okay, these plants.
These 3 plants are the rare variety of this species.
Okay.
See the size of this of its flower. Evaluate it.
Yes.
Common one and this is rare.
So this is little common.
Hmm.
Yeah, and this is little rare varieties.
And here is the giant marigold variety.
Giant, very good. Yeah, the
Giant.
size it's like big.
It
Yep.
will bloom more.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
in this layer, it's a variety of petunia
Petunia.
yet to grow.
Oh, yet to bloom. Okay. So, I think at least 20-30 pots are there.
No, 33 pots are
33
there.
pots. Okay, in one row 33 pots.
And upside, dahlia varieties.
Wow. So I can just show you from here how many dahlia varieties. Is at least 33 must be there.
must be.
Yes. And there are many colors.
many colors.
So this one I can see it is beyond my height. So this is dark purple or
Maroon shade it can be says that.
okay, and then this one is yellow.
इस रो की एक और भी बात है कि सभी अलग वैरायटीज और अलग कलर के हैं.
Okay. Oh, so
Every
everyone
pot
is different
contains
varieties.
different varieties from each other.
Okay. Mm-hmm. This is like more red. So now actually it is evening and it is little winter. So some of the plants are flowers are closing.
Closing.
Yeah.
Just show the
And
variety of
then we
gardenia.
have some on the floor.
Gardenia.
Gardenia.
Gardenia. Many colors are there.
So this middle row, right?
Middle row and first row.
Okay. So
Gardenia.
these two rows.
Gardenia.
Wow. Awesome colors. Awesome patterns.
ये बंद हो जाएगा, ये बंद हो रहा है.
Mm-hmm.
ये इसको मेंशन करिए, देखिए अभी आपके सामने ही बंद हो रहा है ये.
So this is gardenia and now it is closing time for flowers. So actually it is
in
closing.
process.
So it is in few seconds or minute it will close.
हमारी अम्मा का फोन में बात करो.
Okay.
This 5 pots contains named as aster.
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 Okay, these 5.
ये मेरे पूरे गार्डन की सबसे एक्सक्लूसिव वैरायटी ये है और रेयर है. थूसिया.
Thusia.
थूसिया.
Okay. So okay, right now there is no flowers so I can't show. But yeah, Thusia.
It's a variety of Kilancho.
These ones,
Possible 4 colors are there. All the 4 colors are present. Yellow, oranges, pinkish and red.
right? Wow. Yellow, orange.
This plant contains
This pinkish and red.
in general language it's called Rajnigandha.
Oh, this one.
It smells very sweet.
Okay.
And these
Rajnigandha.
2 rows called seasonal impression. Seasonal impressions.
Okay. So we on the floor we covered these 2 bunch of pots.
This last row known as Nepticium.
Okay. So
Possible 2 colors are there.
Nepticium.
Nepticium.
Okay.
Both colors are present in the room.
Wow. Glad to know that you remember all the names. It's a little difficult for me to remember the names, but yep.
Or the shades in both color, boss.
Yep. Okay.
It's a rare variety of marigold, red marigold. It's a rare variety.
Red marigold. Yeah?
Red marigold. इस वैरायटी की खासियत ऐसे कि जैसे जैसे दिन ढलता है वैसे वैसे इसके कलर डार्क होते जाते हैं.
Oh, okay.
Some of gerberas are there.
Which
Gerberas.
Gerbera. Wow. So this whole row, and this is the different color, awesome color, beautiful.
This kind contains strawberries.
And these line is for strawberries. So we can see small strawberries here. Wow.
And here are the.
So ये birds वगैरह तोड़ के ले जाती हैं strawberries?
नहीं.
Awesome. Wow. See?